years and you never said a word. Oh, in 2 hours and now we said it all. You know we don't wanna fall in love again. Oh no.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Valeria and I strive to live a more sustainable life through secondhand shopping and sewing. Today we're going to be flipping some pieces. I have them right here. These are going to be added to my fall and winter wardrobe. Let's get into it. So first off, we have this black skirt. I already have this skirt in my closet, but I just didn't really like the length of it. It was a little bit, I don't know, awkward. I think I had this skirt, I think I got it off of like Temu or something a few years back before I like really was conscious of like how I wanted to spend my money and not give into fast fashion. But yeah, I really liked it. I thought it was gonna be longer. Like with online shopping, you don't really get what you think you're gonna get. So I'm gonna make this into like a mini skirt, and I have just a bunch of outfits in my head that I just think would look so cute with it. Okay, and this second piece, I also got this. I think I got this at like Burlington. I wore it for one of my jobs that I had as a wedding planner assistant, and it did the job or whatever. I usually wore like a blazer over it, so you didn't really see the fit of it on me. But yeah, I'm just gonna take in the sides of it and then make it shorter, and that should be it. And then the denim skirt that I got from thrifting one time after I worked out. It's so cute. It's a little bit big. I'm gonna see if I can do some darts in the back and then just make it shorter. I hope it turns out nice because I am very excited about this one. And I have so many outfit ideas that just, there's this one picture that like, I loved everything about that outfit. One thing I'm going to continue looking for while thrifting is a big belt, like either brown or black, but just a big belt. And yeah. The day I find that belt is the day I will be so happy. But yeah, let's get started. Let's look for some jazz music. Jazz lo-fi, I want to say. All right, let's see what's popping up here. Jazz beats. And that's pretty too. A little skyline. Ooh, I like that too. I love lo-fi girl. I love like as if she's like an actual person. It's only 30 minutes though, that's sad. Oh, let's just do the first one, jazz beats. Okay, so I changed into a tank because I was sweating. Yeah, I'm gonna do a lot of try-ons, so I feel like a tank would be better. But let's start. Yeah, my dog chewed on this toy when he was a puppy. Chewed on this toy. No, my dog chewed on this remote when he was a puppy, and I mean, I've had that TV ever since, so yeah. But let's get to flipping. Not gonna lie, this skirt doesn't fit me that well. All right, so this is how the skirt looks. Something like this, I feel like would be very, very cute. I'm obviously gonna wear tights with it. Yeah, I'm gonna wear tights with this, and then like some long black boots would be so cute. So that's the vision. Let's get started. While trying on the skirt, I kind of just made little marks of where I want the front and the back to end. So I'm just gonna cut along that, make the points connect, and then just make a hem after that.
Made a mistake, and now it's all bad. You could put the blame on me, but baby, can we run it back? You've been running through my...
So this is how short it is now. I think it's a very good length. So now all I need to do is just hem it, and then that'll be it. I've got the pins in, now we're just gonna hem it.
If you meet me down the road, would you stay or would you go?
It's winter, guys. Winter came.
Changing roses grow. Take my hand, take these roses. No, I'll never leave you lonely.
Inside. Come on. Okay. You can stay out there a little longer. It's kind of cold, so I'll close that for now and check up on you. Okay, so my needle broke, and I think that was my sign to just not sew anymore. So today's a new day. I did finish the skirt, so this is how it turned out. Obviously the hemming is a little interesting because, I don't know, the fabric was interesting to work with, but it looks good, like when I have it on, so that's all that matters. I have another needle I can try with the denim. I'm kind of scared to do the denim next, but I just want to get the skirts going, and yeah, so I just decided to stop sewing last night, and it's a new day. Yeah, so let's get to the denim skirt. Okay, so this is how, oh, she wants to come inside. I knew she would be cold. Okay, so this is how this skirt looks on. It's a little big on the waist, so I'm gonna take it in like that much, I wanna say, and then make it a little bit shorter, like 2 inches would be good. So I'm gonna cut off like 1.5 inches and then do the little seam allowance thing. Yeah, I feel like this is so much cuter, a little bit shorter, not too short, you know, but, okay, let's get started.
Handwritten love letters, combos and quality time. Baby, it's something about the way you move that keeps me swooning for you. You make me feel like we stepped off a movie set. You can bet we got that retro love. And ain't no doubt this is gonna.
So this is the broken needle. Second needle I've broken. Now I'm realizing needles break. But yeah, so I'll just sew these darts, and I think I'm just gonna keep this unfinished, and I'm going to like give it that like fuzzy like ripped edge, and I think that should be fine. I mean, I've seen skirts like that anyway, so because I don't want to make it any shorter, it's already short. Yeah, let's just sew this. Hopefully my needle doesn't break, and if it does, we're gonna go to the thrift store. Not the thrift store. We're gonna go to the sewing store and get more needles. I could do a run to the sewing store anyways because I am running out of black thread, and yeah. Oh, turned it off. The sewing machine needs to work on the type of cord it connects to because it is the loosest connecting piece ever.
House with a white picket fence. Got me blushing while we cuddling the name of our kids. That's retro.
First dart successfully made it. So here's that final piece I'm gonna flip. It doesn't look bad, like just on or whatever. I kind of don't really like the length. I want it shorter. I wish I had a dress form because I kind of want to do some like ruching, but basically like I want to make it like that, like have some like draping on. So I feel like that would look so cute instead of it just being like solid down the whole way. Make it a little more interesting. So after thinking about it, what I'm gonna do is take in the sides to make it a little bit tighter, and then I'm going to put elastic on the ends to give it that ruching effect, and hopefully it looks somewhat good.
Movie set, you can bet we got that retro love. That retro love. Ooh, love, love. And ain't no doubt this is made to last. So if they ask, just say it's retro love, love.
Okay, so I finished the dress. I just made like a protein shake right now. After I finish this, I'm gonna show you the clothes that I altered, styled. I'm so excited. Okay, so here is that first alteration. It's the long skirt that I made short. The hemming, as you can see, is a little wonky, but I do think it still looks kind of cute or whatever. It covers the back well and everything. So I think it's a really good length, and I'm happy with how it turned out. And I just styled it with a red cropped sweater that I already had, and then my boots and some tights, and She's just so cute. I love the outfit. Okay, so here is that jean skirt. She's cute. I've been wanting a jean skirt for the longest time. First, I did think that they were like out of style, but as I went along Pinterest, you know, doom scrolling on Pinterest, I started seeing like a lot of jean skirts and everything. So I was like, you know what? I want a jean skirt. And I got one. The back is none of my business because I can't really see it. But I'll show you. So I did those darts, but you can kind of see where I did them, but I do think it's fine, and I think it gives it like character and everything. So I like the distressed hemming. I guess when I wash it a few times, it's gonna actually look better because of like the wear. I just paired it with this top that I thrifted in Milwaukee actually a few years ago. Some tights and then these boots that I got from my mother. But yes, this is such a good addition to my wardrobe, and I will probably be wearing this a lot because I am liking skirts and tights for basically all of fall and winter. Here is that last piece that I worked on. It was the black dress, and I think it turned out exactly how like I envisioned it in my head, so I'm very happy about that. And I paired it with that red leather jacket that I thrifted a little while ago, and then some boots that I just got. But she's so cute. Here, let me take off the jacket. Okay, like it has the ruching, it's like the perfect length, like I'm so happy how it turned out. Like it was cute like how I originally bought it or how it originally looked, but I think there's just something more with like the ruching and it being a little shorter. It just gives it something, you know. But oh, and I also have like these sleeves that I just adore, and I might wear these if like I go out or something. But yeah, she's so cute. Just do a full turn. But yes, I think this is a very good versatile piece to have in the closet, like a little black dress, and you can dress it up, dress it down. I just love the fit of it. Also, I still have the elastic on it. I made it tighter after I put the elastic, so I don't know if I can take off the elastic and it'll keep this ruching still. I'm scared to cut it off. There's just a piece right here with the elastic on it. I'm gonna just show you how it looks now before I like cut it off, because if it goes back to how it was, I'm going to cry. But I might just keep the elastic on also. I don't know. It looks fine with it, so if it ain't broke. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed all the pieces that I altered. Let me know which one was your favorite. I think I like the black dress the most, but the denim skirt is probably gonna be one of my favorite staple pieces in my wardrobe. I'll see you in the next video, and as always, free Palestine, Sudan, and Congo. Bye!
You know the one day I will.